If you like to know how I achieve this quick makeup, yeah, for going out with friends, something really quick, no glamorous, not too, not too glamorous, not going to a party, just something for going out with friends. Yeah, something like this will do. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you think, if this is something that you would do for going out with your friends. Yeah, so bye. So you're going to start by making sure your face is really nicely moisturized. So what I'm using is a primer. I normally use another primer, but I ran out. So also, to help me with my face to be more moisturized and luminous, this is supposed to be for highlighting, but I find that if I use it as a primer before I use my eyeshadow, it works better than me using it as a highlighter. So now, normally you see, like now after I use this, my face is nice and smooth, so I don't even need to wear makeup. And if I'm at home or just popping outside, that's how I do it. I don't add any foundation or anything at all. That alone is enough for me, and I just go out. But if you're going out with friends, like now, I just like put small foundation. You see, if you use that one, it helps you save lots of foundation, because you just need a little foundation to cover your face. I don't use lots of foundation. So this is a highlighter concealer to highlight the part that you want it lighter, and you just blend it. Try not to use too much because it goes a long way. And for this, you can use anything. You can even buy a foundation that is lighter than your shade. So you can buy two foundation, one that is your skin color, that is your shade, and then one that is a bit really lighter than your shade, and you can use it to highlight your face, the part that you want it to be lighter. So that's what I'm doing. I swap the blush because the other blush has too much foundation, had too much product on, and I'm trying to use minimum product. Normally after that, next day if I'm going out, I just use the same blush that I use, and I don't put any product on at all, and it will be enough for me to go out. So here I'm just using powder to set the concealer that I highlighted on my face. So I just tried the trick of using that, and I bought that product. So this is the product. I will show you the product that I got on my live video, and it's like really easy. Like it helps your face. So now I'm just using a darker shade to contour my face, which I don't contour a lot. I'm happy with my face shape. I don't like to contour my face too much to make me like my face shape to totally change, because the more you contour, it just change your face shape. I like my face shape just the way God gave me, so I just use very tiny contouring. I don't like my face to be slim. I like my African future shape that God created me with, so I don't contour too much. If you check my makeup videos, so I just done a tiny contour, and I'm just going to spray my face, and this will set the other product and also stop it from caking up. So as you can see, my eyebrow is microbladed, so always it's like it's there, and also it help with the guide of the shape. So because my eyebrow is microbladed, I don't do much about my eyebrow. I just normally use only the eyebrow gel. which I'm using now. I normally don't use the pencil because the pencil don't do much because my eyebrow shape is there already. So here I just gave up using the pencil because it wasn't doing anything. The shape is there already. So all I just go in to do is to use a small concealer to clean it up, because I've put a foundation on. It just messes with the shape of the eyebrow where I've not been careful just putting the foundation on. So I just go back in with a small concealer to clean up and to help with the shape, get my shape back. So I don't do really light concealing on my eyebrows. Sorry, here my face was a bit, yeah, close up. That's better. So that's what I'm doing. And the top bit, normally you should use a light a darker shade, a shade that is the same as your foundation that you use, because you don't want the top bit to be too light. So normally after I use the concealer at the bottom bit, I don't put any product on, and then I use the same brush to just clean the, you know, the top of the brow. So I'm just going in with my brow gel. So now I've got my brush which I also bought from Shein. Just trying to test it to see how that one looks on my skin. And the little bit goes long way, so not too much. Just dip it in tiny bit and it will goes a long way. So I just put a little bit of brusher on. And I also got this from Shein. It's a good highlighter. It works really well. Like in real life, you can see it really popping. I love it. So I'm gonna put all the product listed down. If like you want to find out where I got it or the link to the product, just let me know. So now I'm using a purple lipstick, and don't use a lot of purple lipstick. Like I'm only using it because the purple in my dress. I normally wear red lipstick. I'm tired of wearing red lipstick. So today I went with purple and I think it looks okay. I'm always scared of using the red purple lipstick, but it went well. Yeah, so I'm using the same blusher that I use for my cheek, and I'm also using it for my eyebrow. Like I'm using it as an eyeshadow because I'm not doing like a really grandma up makeup. Just want something easy. So now I'm going in with black eyeshadow just to give it a little bit of a pop. And that's it. That's my eyeshadow done. Simple. I have to skip lots of parts because I'm running late. But this is the finished look. I decided to do my lip light purple. I didn't like the dark purple. So this is how it turns out. I'm running late, so I just had to skip. So this is just a quick makeup for evening out with friends. Nothing special, just a quick makeup for evening out with friends. Something that you can quickly do when you're going out. Didn't turn out bad at all. So if you want your hair to curl whilst you're doing your makeup, you put it on the roller whilst you're doing your makeup, and it will set within a matter of few minutes. It will set. It will curl up. some, because the dress is really colorful. Well, it's a skirt and top. Sorry guys, looking for my earring. I don't know where I put them. Because the skirt and top is really colorful, I don't want to put on too much accessories. So the only thing I'm just going to put to match it is an earring, a purple and green earring to match it, and that's it. I'm only going to put my watch on. I'm not going to put anything. I think I need it out of my face a bit. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, simple. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. I know it's a quick video, but yeah, not much.